like a fire when it's a little chilly. What up, world? It's BK here, day 8 of Trash to Track. Today we're going to continue to work on the electrical system. Sometimes if I'm having a hard time getting started or not motivated, then I like to just get something done. What we're gonna do is take off the bash bar, even though it has nothing to do with the wiring harness or the electrical, because it's gonna get us moving and we can use that momentum on the project we're trying to get done. If you have any tips on how to get moving and stay productive, please let us know in the comments so we can all benefit. Our power steering pump hose is cut anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and remove all this. That's what 30 plus years of gunk looks like. This is the cleanest this bar has been in my lifetime. With our super sophisticated setup, we're ready to bench test. That light being on, for some reason, makes me really, really happy. These last few days have definitely made me feel like a mad scientist, and I love it. How's your day going? I think this is a super cool shot of ZZ. If you enjoyed hanging out with ZZ and I, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you tomorrow.